If I could restart my law school, I will definitely tell myself this. I wish this would have someone told me in my first BLLB. This would have actually changed my grades, sleep, and sanity for sure. First semester is not about being excelling and being perfect, it's about surviving and learning. You would take time, but slowly you will start figuring out everything, what works best for you, and you will be all perfect. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya Pasad, and today we are going to discuss things I wish I knew before my first semester. So first, you don't need perfect notes. This is such a biggest myth. You see on that Pinterest there are very pretty notes, and you think to take this similar in law school. It's not possible because there's a lot of content and you will just keep on writing notes and not actually memorizing anything out of it. Second is bare acts are more important than you think. This is very true. In first sem, in at least our college, we have contract act in first year itself. So now in contract act, a lot of students are there who have not purchased bare act. But then it's very important. I did, but then I knew a few of my friends who didn't, so I just thought that we should add it. So bare acts are very, very important. If you are not able to understand anything, but still you should go and just give it a read. Next is seniors are your biggest resource. Yeah, that's also very important. Just go and talk to your seniors. Like if you want to know that how you can study and what things are there regarding your CIs or your research or any of that kind of work, you can go and talk to your seniors. They have already experienced it. They can help you better. They have spent their few years in this institute or in this college, so they will help you much more better. And yeah, that ragging and all, I just feel it's sometimes in movies, because in real life we have lot of laws regarding it. So I don't think so. And at least in law school, to the colleges I have seen, it doesn't happen. So yeah, that's true. But there are few cases that it happened, but still, you should know who are your good seniors and just go and talk to them. You can ask your teachers also. Like my teachers gave me few references. I went and I talked to them, and they were really sweet. So you can do that as well. Next is start speaking in class as early as possible. This is also very important. Everyone is underconfident on their first day. They are very nervous, but still that's the time you can actually go and speak up. Know the topic which is going to be happening in the class beforehand, so you have something to speak and just go and start speaking. Don't think that what that other person would think about you, how they will judge you. Doesn't matter, honestly. Just go and start talking. Next is, yes, don't buy every book. I guess a lot of us do this mistake in that, we are in the suit mood. Wow. So yeah, we are in that suit mood and we are like, oh, let's buy this book, let's buy that book. I don't think so. It actually matters. You should know which books you should refer online, which you should go and actually borrow from library, or which are those books which you have to actually purchase, which should be helpful in future as well. Books should not be a decoration in shelves. They should be actually being helpful to you. So yeah, choose accordingly. Then yeah, internships matter earlier than you think. So yeah, internships is very important topic. Lot of teachers, friends, your seniors will come and tell you to do internship. I know you'd be highly confused. Yet just start with at least a basic online internship, and you will get to learn multiple of things. And I always stress that internships are much more important. Law in practice and law in books are very different, so you should learn what that law in practice actually means. Next is start exploring legal research, CV, LinkedIn and drafting as early as possible. Again, so legal research and all, I know it's very overwhelming at times. Like, how can we in first year come across legal research? Okay, not legal research, something closest to legal research. Like, I wrote this particular paper and it's not directly related to law. I try to add few content of law in it. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Then this is Shreya Pasad. and we will be continuing with the topic the things I wish I knew in my first semester.
Do certain activities.
First of all, attendance
start
is a
taking
real thing.
participation in as
I
many things as
don't
possible.
know who say that
and
you
try
know,
to
go and
build
take
up,
experience,
do some
this is
courses,
the year you should go and do fun,
attend
no,
some
you
webinars,
can't.
some conferences.
If you have like
you will
0.1%
build it up
attendance
eventually,
shortage,
okay?
your
Build
exams
LinkedIn.
will be cancelled.
Understand how LinkedIn
all
works.
your
Start building
opportunities
your
and everything.
connections.
You won't be
will
able
get
to
lot
do
of
your
CIS
mood courts,
regarding your
internships,
LinkedIn and everything.
exams,
so that
most
would be very
important. Without
important.
giving
How many
exams, you won't be
connections
allowed to
you
do
have on
any
LinkedIn.
of these things.
Next is drafting.
So yeah,
Basic drafting
attendance
you
is
should
very
start
important.
learning. Don't ever
Maybe
try
just
to bunk.
format. I mean, you can
It's
miss
very
a few
easy.
classes for
And
genuine
the first
reason.
day, if you
But
at
there's
least
no how to
think that
write
this
a
law
basic
school, you can
format,
come and you can
also
bunk
anytime.
suffice.
Then
That's not
apart from
actually
format,
true.
you can start actually writing
If
Christ,
paragraphs of
85%,
drafting,
other colleges
that will
70
help a
or
lot.
75% you
Just
require.
take some random problem
So,
and just start writing. And
Maybe
if
you
you don't
just
blabber
have that much
initially,
attendance,
there will be a
it
lot of
might be the
fines you have to
shittest
pay.
draft ever
Library
possible,
hours
but still
and
that's
whatnot
fine. That's
punishments
completely
will get.
normal.
So everyone does it.
Be
And
very
you should
particular
try
about your
doing it
attendance
as well.
Next is
Law school
consistency
more about
matters
self-study
more
than
than
teaching.
motivation.
This is
very
I guess,
important
most
in law
important
school.
thing I'm answering
Extrinsic
right now.
motivations are
Because
very limited. There
every one
won't
of us
be,
think like
every
as
time
schools,
someone would
our
come and praise us,
professors,
there
our
won't be
teachers
always
taught us
appraisals.
everything.
So that
But
time
in
I
law
don't think
school
so.
or in
If
any
you're
of the
into
colleges
that
you
is
go,
motivation,
professors
you will
won't
ever
teach you
excel.
every
You
possible
need
thing.
that consistency.
They will teach you basic
At
of that
least
concept.
not
Like let's
consistency
say
in studying,
but
but
at
just
least
showing
taught
up daily.
or contract.
Maybe attending your college daily.
Big
that will
chunks of
also
it.
make a huge
They won't
change.
go in depth of each
Then
and
next
every
is
concept.
everyone is confused.
For that you have
initially.
to have a habit of
This is so
self-studying.
true.
You should
that your
know
peers are just
that
outstanding.
you
They are
go
great.
home,
They are doing
you
everything.
have to open the books what teacher
Everyone
taught
is
you in the
confused.
class, and
And
they
if
are
you're
not
not
trying
doing
to
it
pretend,
and
thinking that you're doing the biggest
showing off,
mistake of law
pretending,
school.
faking things.
If you
It's
open
so
the
true
books,
in
you
law
start
school at
reading.
least.
Just
I have seen
see
people
that
actually,
teachers would have taught
first
you
day
5%
everyone would
or
come
something.
and they would be like,
But
they'll
they'll
be
be
telling
telling
the
the 95%
that answer you have to
But
cover.
after a few
And
days,
while you give your
few
exams,
sems,
teacher would expect
or
that you
few
know
exams
that
is
entire
start knowing that
100%. They don't
they
know
never
even
taught.
the simplest thing.
So yeah,
possible.
expecting
So
and
don't
then you
underjudge
think that you
yourself.
go and run behind teachers.
Don't try
ask
to
them
narrow
teach
that
yourself.
particular point.
Don't
They
get
won't.
that social anxiety.
It's
Don't
college.
be introvert
Teachers
in all
won't even
situations.
listen to you.
Try
would
to
just,
cope up,
come and
try
like,
to
okay, meet me at
understand
that time.
If
and
you're
then they'll
not
again
able
like,
to
just
keep on
speak it
date
up in the
and
class.
dates,
Like,
if you're
it would actually go
still
like a code
confused,
stream, you
try
would
to
be,
actually
get
getting
some
a
external
frustrating
help. Talk to your seniors,
Yeah,
watch YouTube
don't
videos.
run behind teachers.
Read
to clear your doubts.
Easiest
Instead,
possible thing. Use
before
books.
teacher teaches
use
something,
to tell you that
internet,
yes, tomorrow in this
anything,
class we'll be studying
but
this.
I
You
don't
go and
think
you
so.
study
Actually,
professors
so then you
come
have
and
lot of
they will
content.
be
At least
teaching you
speak
each
once
and
or
every
twice
possible
in the
detail
class.
that you
I
think.
think that's more than
That's
enough.
enough.
Okay?
They'll give you basic
So
understanding
yeah,
though.
that was all
Next
for
is
this
you
video.
don't need to know everything
I
immediately.
think still there are a lot of points
I know
left. So
lot
we'll
of
get
my
our
friends,
next
even your
part
friends,
as well.
and you come and they're like